Y'all, I've got a great big white rock and a whole bunch of Arteza heavy body paints that I am dying to try out. I'm going to be painting this 5.5-inch art stone. Now, a while back, I gave it a coat of gesso and 2 coats of this titanium white paint. I made a whole video on how to base paint rocks, and this was the star of that video, so I'll link it at the end if you want to watch it. Now, I've got a whole set of these Arteza heavy body paints, and I picked out all of the ones that even somewhat represented or looked a little pink. I'm going to use them all. I want to see what they look like and what better surface to do it than on a white rock. Now, these are heavy bodied. That just means they're thick and I need to thin them out. So I put about 1 part paint and 2 parts of that pouring medium, stir it all up, and I'm ready to go. Y'all, I didn't put any guidelines on my stone. I didn't plan anything other than to check out these colors. Let's go. Wow, some of these colors are really, really pretty. And some of them don't really represent the color that they show on the tube or the the words. The strawberry one kind of threw me for a loop. It looks like a copper. And Amaranth red, it looks like a beautiful coral. I don't know. Some of these colors are really beautiful. I'm kind of disappointed that they don't all go together very well. But I love each of the colors individually. I may not like them all together, but I am gonna roll with it and I am just gonna get it done. Right now, everything is pretty chaotic around here, and I think the stone is probably just representing that. So I am gonna keep going. I am very pleased with the symmetry on this. Of course, it's not perfect. It's not perfect when I do have guidelines, but I'm super proud of how good it actually is. I haven't done this in quite a long time, and it's absolutely fun. We may do this some more. Let me know if you like guidelines or you don't like guidelines down in the comment. Now, right about here, things started to get just a little bit messy. I'm about an hour in real time, maybe a little longer, maybe an hour and a half, maybe two. I'm not really sure. But I've noticed with these paints that they're starting to form just a tiny skin across the top of them. So I wanted to mention, if you're using them, go ahead and give them a stir every once in a while, because I'm getting these really, see how my dot is really like wobbly around the edges and not so beautiful? That's because it's got that skin on it. So what you don't see is off camera, I went through and I stirred them all really, really good. These dots here, that hot pink, really showed me what was going on. So I went through, gave them all a quick stir, and they were fine after that. So be aware that these dry pretty fast. All right, I'm not 100% pleased with these colors. I love them all individually, but together, you know, you have some reds that lean towards orange, you have some reds that leans towards purple, and it's just kind of, it's chaos. It is absolutely representing my life right now with the end of school and so many things going on around here. It is really par for my course, but I did not wash this rock. I am going to go ahead and let it dry. I'm going to sign the back and give it a coat of resin, and let me show you what it looks like. All right, you guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. Oh my gosh, I had so many reservations about this one, so much I put it to the side. I made a whole new video super quick in a pinch so I didn't have to put it out there. And the more I look at it, the more I just love this quirky, fun little chaotic piece of mayhem that I made. It perfectly suits my life for that week. It was the end of school. We had an illness. It was just absolutely nuts around here. And if this was anyone else, I would tell you, if you don't like it, you're not looking at it through the right lens. And I promise you, someone is going to love this rock. I love the mandala. If you don't like the colors, that's fine. I don't care for the combination myself, but you can pick any color you want and you can totally do this little mandala. I'm going to put this one in my shop and I'm going to love it until it sells. Until next time, rock on.